What's happening? It's Mark. I'm here in Warsaw. I'm here with Matt the Rat, who's over there messing with his phone. We're staying in the old town, but we've kind of swerved that area. We're not really into the touristy stuff. So we've come across to the other side of the river, the right bank of the Vistula, to a district called Praga. I've been asking people where the most dangerous district in Warsaw is, and everyone's telling me it's this one here. This is the area where all the big skinhead football hooligan types live. So we're going to explore the area and see if we can get our heads kicked in here. That's the plan. Anyway, look at this palatial church. "85% of Warsaw was destroyed in World War II. The old town is basically just a reconstruction of the original old town, and the rest of the town centre is really quite modern looking, with big skyscrapers and all of that kind of business. But this area here was pretty much untouched during the war, so this is actually more of an authentic Warsaw. This is what this city would have looked like if it hadn't been destroyed. So let's explore. Funny little terraced houses over there. You got some kind of tower block there. Somebody's painted a bit of a gay rainbow colours on the side of that building there. We've got the Ukrainian flag over there. And who are these guys? Some musicians. Nice. God, these guys are really tall. Look, I'm 6'2". Look how tall these guys are in comparison. One thing we do want to check out in this area is the Neon Museum. It's this place where they've gathered up all these neon signs from around Poland dating back to the communist era, and they've got them all on display there. Similar to what they did in Warsaw at the Neon Side Gallery. So that's where we're going to go next. A couple of gopniks on the motorbikes there. Looks to be a cool looking mural on that building over there. Matt, are you worried about being in the most dangerous hood of Warsaw? Are you concerned?
Well, it's going to be raining later, so it'll come in useful.
We found this shop here. I think, I can't say it, it's insulting. Some gopniks with tattoos on their face just walked past us there.
Is that all right?
Interesting mural on the side of that building there. Another cool one on the side of that tower there.
What's an Uber?
Looks to be a fair amount of places boarded up round here as well. There's the big Praga stadium over there. My phone says that the Neon Museum's 15 minutes away, so we're gonna venture on. And there we have a big Pepsi-Cola mural on the side of that building. This area kind of reminds me a little bit of Bratislava. It's got that same kind of run-down feel about it. Like that kind of stuff, that boarded up, graffitied up building. That's what kind of reminds me of Bratislava a little bit. And here we have what looks like a chocolate factory mural, I think. And there's my man, And there's my man, Dom Podgorzabovi. Fuck out. This street kind of reminds me of Warszawska Street in Łódź, which kind of makes sense because it's like Warsaw Street. So yeah, some more boarded up buildings down there as well. Right, I believe the Neon Museum is down this way. It's really difficult trying to vlog with Matt because he's stopping every 5 minutes to look at stuff, talking over me while I'm filming my monologues. This is just what I've got. It's so much easier when I'm filming by myself. Another boarded up, dilapidated building there. Another one. over here. Yeah, I think we're getting into the thick of it now, deeper into the most dangerous districts in Warsaw. Large group of gopniks behind me there, just milling about, just hanging around, looking menacing. This little Tommy tanker, what's he doing here? Can we get inside it? No. Oh, I wanted to go on the little train. Disappointing.
The smallest railway line in the world.
Yeah, I think this is quite possibly the shortest railway line on the planet. Look, it don't go very far, does it? I'll have a consonant, please, Carol. Another consonant, Carol. Can I have a consonant, Carol? And another consonant, Carol. Can I have a vowel? Another consonant, Carol. A vowel. A consonant, Carol, please. And another consonant, please, Carol. Is this art or is this a climbing frame? What is it? Grid. It's a grid. Grid system. .pl. Just checked out, it's not very sturdy, it's not very well put together. I'm not even going to risk that one for a chocolate biscuit. Anyway, the Neon Museum is supposed to be just up here somewhere. Here we are, we found it, Neon Museum. It's this museum that was set up in this old warehouse. Let's go and have a look. Place was cool. There's basically a selection of neon signs dating back to the Cold War era, so 1945 onwards. Here we are, we've had a nice chill out spot here. We're gonna go and yeah, we're gonna chill here for a bit. Well, this dangerous district has actually turned out to be quite chill. We're getting the Aperol spritzes. So refreshing. Animal.
To be honest, 69 bananas. And that's the cross of Seventh Banana Land and the Banana Republic. And that's the Banana Bridge in
the Democratic Republic of Banana Land. Right, brilliant. We're gonna try out the hammock. That's not how to do it, is it? Right, let's get out of here. There's obviously a way of doing it. There's a technique. You show us how it's done, Matt. Yeah, there's a way of getting on them. Right, Matt's the hammock expert. Let's see if we can. That's it. That's how you do it. Right. It's a little bit precarious, isn't it? A little bit precarious.
It's a bit like surfing. Left and right bit.
Well, I've done it again. I've explored one of the most dangerous hoods of Poland, and looks like I'm getting out alive. But then again, I could be speaking too soon. Let's get to the tram and get out of here. Hang on, who's this?
Potato head.
Meow. Hello.
Turn right onto Bliska.
This must be where the kids come down to drink the cans and bottles of vodka and bottles of beer here. Well, gotta come somewhere, aren't they? Nice little park area here though. Anyway, let's go get the tram. We got the train back to the centre. We've made it out of the most dangerous district in Warsaw alive. I'm gonna go and meet my man Captain Awesome to have a meal with him, but yeah, check it out. Empire State Building, look. Palace of Culture and Science. The much hated Stalinist building. This was basically like Stalin's 8th sister after the 7 sisters that he had built in Moscow. Watch my man No Fuckers' video about that. He made a video about the 7 sisters. Well, this is the 8th sister. Apparently it's no longer the tallest building in Warsaw because they built another skyscraper taller than that one now, so it's the 2nd tallest building in Poland. The tallest building in Poland is this one. Anyway, see you in the next video. Miru. Fuck, I tripped. How do we do that again? No. Matt, get out of the shot. Will you just get out of the shot, please? Large group of gopniks behind me there, just milling about, looking. So where I'm looking? Yeah. Just milling about, looking. No, it's not threatening. Not menacing.